Hi guys, so this week we are supposed to talk about the video that we had to watch, The Human Effect, and hold the questions. Um, a lot of the images that were shown in the video stood out to me because I enjoyed how realistic and raw they were. Like they were very revealing of what our Earth goes through, and I really found it interesting to see the videos and the images of like the houses that have flooded and like the streets and like how people's cars you could barely see because the streets were that flooded. Because it's not really something that we see here in Michigan, but like we hear about it on the news and like we read about it in our science classes, but it's really never something that we experience unless like we travel to those places and we're there when these things occur. Um, Another part that I really liked about the video was the scientist who studies climate change. And for his career, he travels to different areas of the world and studies their climate change to help them prevent from like their part of the world being demolished by like storms and hurricanes and everything. So I found those two parts of the video to be very interesting. A lot of the images stood out to me when they like captured images of people holding like their personal items that they were able to save from the storm as well, because it's like I couldn't imagine doing that. Um, what I found that would help that humans can do that is probably the easiest is greening our commute. So that means like traveling less by plane, so try not to fly as much. Ride your bike if you can, if it's close enough and you don't have to start your car and put all them fumes into the air. Ride your bike instead. Um, Switch to electric or plug-in vehicles, hybrid vehicles. Um, this will help because all it will help our atmosphere as a whole and not putting all these um, chemicals and fumes into the air that are not good for our Earth. I try to ride my bike sometimes. I don't really have a lot of time, but when I get the chance to go for a bike ride, I try to take advantage of it. But so it's something I could definitely do more. I do travel, so I do go on planes, but that's only like vacations and stuff. And I chose this as the easiest because I think it's something that a lot of people can do. Like when we're just running to the store that's 2 minutes away, why can't we ride our bike instead of turning our cars on? And getting more electric vehicles on the roads, I think would be a really good idea. Another thing that I thought was we could also do is support more of our local farmers who just sell like vegetables on the side of the road. I think that's a good way to do it because then you're supporting the farmers that are growing their own, and it's less likely to waste food, and it's buying organic, which is way better for our economy. So yeah, this is my video on the human effect video. Thanks for watching.